So our first question, aluminium is anodized to protect it from weathering effect by forming a surface coat of option C, aluminium oxide. Quartzite and marble are by nature, both are sedimentary rock. To obtain very high strength concrete, it is necessary to use very fine grained granite use करना चाहिए. Which of the following type of lime used for underwater construction? This is the hydraulic lime. Which one of the following has least bearing capacity? Least bearing capacity होता है loose gravel की इनमें से. As a cheap alternative, fineness of cement is tested by using 90 micron sieve and at least 90% should pass from it by weight. Calcium chloride added in concrete act as, this is the accelerator. Specific gravity has no unit. Option D is right, no unit. To construct a massive dam, the type of cement is used low heat cement हम लोगों को यूज करना चाहिए. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लो हीट सीमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ सीमेंट्स आर, this is option C, C3S and C2S. The increase in the strength of concrete with time, this is a non-linear. Generally, concrete cubes are tested, measure concrete compressive strength टेस्ट किया जाता है. Next question, workability of concrete is directly proportional to water cement ratio and grading of aggregates. Option number D is right. The percentage of fine aggregate of fineness modulus is 2.6 and to be combined with aggregate of fineness modulus 6.8 for obtain the aggregate of fineness modulus 5.6. So फ्रेंड, इसका जो फॉर्मूला होता है फाइननेस मॉडुलस की FM equals to F2 minus F divided by F minus F1. Fm is the fineness modulus, F2 is the fineness modulus for coarse aggregate and F1 is the fineness modulus for fine aggregate. and हम लोगों को F जो पूछा है ये निकल जाएगा and ऑप्शन नंबर डी जो है दिस इज राइट हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, generally the ratio of different ingredients in concrete mix of grade M20 का proportion पूछा है 1:1.5:3 हो जाएगा. 1:1.5:3 हो जाएगा. ओके, इसका आंसर fineness test of cement gives us an estimate of fineness टेस्ट जो किया जाता है इसमें हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन एस्टिमेट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ बिटुमिन इज 1.09. Water absorption of class 1 brick after 24 hours of immersion in water should not exceed 20% for first class brick. So option number C. For a given aggregate ratio, increasing the water cement ratio, increasing the shrinkage. Granite is a rock by nature. This is a plutonic rock. Separation of water or cement by a freshly mixed concrete is known as bleeding. Zinc oxide is a pigment having color white. The permanent deformation of concrete with under steady load, this is called creep. An aggregate is known as lycopian aggregate if its size is more than 75 mm. Question number 26, 126, segregation in the concrete occurs when coarse aggregate tries to separate out from the finer material. Next question, base material of distemper, this is the chalk. The amount of water used in performing setting time test of cement is 0.85 p. P is the standard consistency of cement. Gypsum used in cement manufacturing acts as gypsum जो यूज किया जाता है, दिस इज यूज एज ए रिटार्डर. द मोस्ट सुइटेबल स्टोन फॉर बिल्डिंग पायर्स इज, दिस इज ग्रेनाइट. The plasticity to mold brick in suitable shape contributed by alumina. The crushing strength of first class brick is 10.5 Newton per millimeter square. Option number C. Which of the following cement is suitable for use in urgent repair existing massive concrete structure? This is the rapid hardening cement. This is the rapid hardening cement. Next question, the grade of concrete M20 means the characteristic compressive strength of 15 semi-cube after 28 days is given by 20 Newton per millimeter square. You were asked to construct a massive dam concrete. The type of cement you use, this is the option C, low heat cement use किया जाता है. Next question, the object of curing is not to reduce the strength of concrete. Option number D. Initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes. Next question. High percentage of tricalcium silicate and low percentage of dicalcium silicate in cement will result in rapid hardening and high early strength with high heat of generation. So option number C, both 1 and 2 are right. Air entrainment in concrete increase its workability. Option A right हो जाएगा. Which one of the following is added for quick setting cement? Quick setting cement के लिए कौन सा ingredient add किया जाता है? This is aluminum sulfate. Slump test is used for workability. Water required per bag of cement, this is the 28 kg. Option number C is right. Which of the following method may be used for getting a more workable concrete? Option number D, by reducing the size of aggregate. The operation of removing hump and hollows of uniform concrete surface is known as screeding. Okay. Next question. The characteristic strength of concrete is defined as the strength below which not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. Option number B is right. Shrinking in concrete can be reduced by using low water cement ratio, less cement in concrete and proper mix. So option number D जो होगा, all the above is right. Characteristic strength of concrete is measured at 28 days. Pozzolana are rich in silica and alumina. The value of ultimate creep coefficient of concrete is decreases with its age. Bitumen emulsion is a liquid containing bitumen suspension, a paint used as anti-corrosive paint. D is the right answer. All the above are right. The main ingredient of Portland cement are, Portland cement की main ingredient क्या है? Lime and silica. So A is right answer. The commonly used thinner in oil paints is, this is option C, both naphtha and terpene are the commonly used thinner in oil paints. Good quality cement contain higher percentage of tricalcium silicate C3S, सबसे ज़्यादा रहना चाहिए गुड क्वालिटी सीमेंट में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Plywood is obtained by gluing wooden sheet as a pressure of, option A, 100 to 150 Newton per millimeter square. Rocks having alumina or clay as their major constituent are called Argillaceous rocks, option B is the right answer. Resins are, this is used in varnishes, so option C is right. Sandstone is, sandstone is a sandstone is a sedimentary rock, so option A is right. Crushing strength of good brick stone should be more than 1000 kg per semi square, option B. Age of tree may be ascertained by number of annual rings. Age of rings is ascertained by number of annual rings, option D is right. Dry rot, dry rot reduce the strength of the timber, ऑप्शन बी जो है दिस इज राइट आंसर, reduce the timber to powder, ऑप्शन बी is right for 56 question number. The commonly used lime in whitewashing is, this is fat line, option B. Identifying which grade of cement is not available in India market, this is option A, 23 grade cement is not available in India market. Next question, rapid hardening cement contains relatively higher proportion of, रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट में सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी प्रोपोर्शन रहता है, दिस इज C3S, ट्राई कैल्शियम सिलिकेट सबसे ज़्यादा रहता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू IS 383 द coarsest and sand falls under the grading zone of, option A1, this is the right answer for coarse sand. The initial setting time of fresh concrete should be greater than 30 minutes, option B. Find the odd entry among the silica flume, rice husk, metakaoline and granulated blast furnace slag with respect to cement production. इसमें जो C है this is the odd entry among all of these. Next question, to estimate 28-day crushing strength of concrete cube from 7-day cube strength, we multiply the 7-day cube strength with 1.5 and getting the 28-day strength. So option C is right. Tensile strength of concrete in flexural as per IS 456.7 root of FCK. Low workability of concrete confirm the slum of 25 to 75. A is right answer. Next question, the increased rate of strength gain of rapid hardening cement is achieved by higher content of tricalcium silicate. Bulking of sand is maximum if the percentage of a moisture content is of order of, दिस इज 4% रहना चाहिए लेकिन ऑप्शन में 5% दिया था मिनिमम, इसलिए मैं 5% का ही चूज करूंगा, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. स्टडी द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. 1. फॉर कांस्टेंट वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो फाइनर सैंड decreases workability, and 2. Creep is the deformation of concrete under sustained loading. Both are right statements, option C 1 and 2 both are right, so option C is right. Okay, hardness of rock is tested in situ using hammer test. Okay, so option B जो है वो right हो जाएगा. Unit weight of brick work should be, option C 19 to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Which one of the following is the purest form of iron? Very important question. Wrought iron. The presence of oils in water for concrete, it's reduce the strength of concrete. The volatile diluents added to the paint, this is called thinner. Next question, the water absorption for good brick should not be more than 15% of its dry weight. The disease of dry rot in timber is caused by lack of ventilation, option A is right. clay bricks are made of having 30 to 70% silica and 10 to 20% alumina. Option A is right. The compound fast to settle in cement, this is called tricalcium aluminate. Age of tree can be understood by counting number of rings. Putty is made of powdered chalk and raw linseed oil. So option B is right. Which of the following Borg's compound of cement liberates maximum heat? This is the C3A. Option A, tricalcium aluminate, is liberates the maximum amount of heat. As per IS 456, the organic content of water used for making concrete should not be more than 200 milligram per liter. Which of the following is the hardest wood? Shisham is the hardest woods among the following. Next question. Dog leg stairs are half ton stairs. So option A is right. 28 days crushing strength of cement is tested on 0.7 mm size of cubes of mortar having cement to sand 1:3 proportion में लिया जाता है. सीमेंट इज टू सैंड को 1:3 में. ओके. फॉर Portland cement of 43 grade 28 days mean compressive strength should exceed 43 megapascal. So C is right, 43 megapascal. Okay. Minimum grade of concrete is defined as that compressive strength below which not more than 5% of the test result are expected to fall. जो definition है characteristic strength की, so option number B is right answer. Workability of concrete is directly proportional to water cement ratio. Los Angeles test for aggregate is made to determine the abrasion resistance of the aggregate, so option C is right. Out of the constituent of cement, namely tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, and tetracalcium aluminoferrite C4AF, the first to set and harden, the first कौन सी compound से hard होता है and set मतलब पानी के साथ first कौन सी compound react करता है, this is the C3A tricalcium aluminate हो जाएगा. The addition of CaCl2 in concrete result in this is increase the shrinkage and decrease the setting time. So option number D जो है, this is right, 1 and 2. Next question. The concrete mix design is conducted as per IS 10262. Option C is right. The modulus of elasticity of concrete in Newton per millimeter square can be assumed as follows, where FCK is the characteristic cube strength of concrete. Okay, so the modular of elasticity E equals to 5000 root of FCK होगा. So option D is right. E equals to 5000 root of FCK. Moisture content of well seasoned timber is 10 to 12% रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो फ्रेंड वीडियो यहाँ पर ही ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ. एंड प्लीज़ अगर वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर करना और फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर भी करना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.